With Squarespace Scheduling, clients can book appointments or classes using the appointment scheduling block or through a separate appointments page. Scheduling will only display the times you're available and encourages clients to book appointments on their own while capturing all the information you need. When you start on a free trial, you can access everything on the Emerging Entrepreneur plan. To keep using scheduling after your trial, upgrade to a paid scheduling subscription by following the prompts in the scheduling panel. Once you have access to Squarespace Scheduling, from the home menu, click Scheduling. Use availability to build your calendar and set the times that you're available for appointments. You can set regular weekly hours or cancel regular weekly hours on particular days using override hours. Use override hours in place of regular weekly hours to set hours day by day. After you've set your availability, you'll see a small version of your appointment calendar in your scheduling main menu. Specific days will be highlighted as clients book appointments. From the scheduling menu, you can also create appointment types for the different services that you offer. Clients usually begin the scheduling process by choosing the appointment type they want to book. You can also share your scheduling page with clients by adding an appointment scheduling block to your Squarespace site. The appointment scheduling block gives you the option of showing your clients all the available and public appointment types they can book. You also have the option of using this block to display a specific available appointment type. And you can also add the URL of an existing Acuity Scheduling page. Your scheduling page can be shared outside of Squarespace along with specific appointment types, individual calendars, unique categories, and more. To link to or embed your scheduling page, in the scheduling menu, click Scheduling Page Link. Under Direct Links and Embedding, copy the direct link to your general scheduling page, or choose from a few embed options. Now you can paste or link the code wherever you're sharing your general scheduling page. To customize and share your general scheduling page link, under General Scheduling Page, click Change Link Name, and enter a new URL. Click Copy to copy the new link. All custom scheduling URLs will end in .as.me. And now you can paste the link wherever you're sharing your general scheduling page. You also have the option of syncing your scheduling calendar with a third-party calendar to keep track of all of your appointments and events outside of Squarespace. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.